Good morning, Yarn Talk Monday. This is Angie in the yarn room. No, I'm not in the yarn room, but I wanted to make a Yarn Talk Monday that I just didn't want to skip out on it, and I didn't have time all weekend long to make this video because it was my birthday, and my kids have been treating me out. I just came from a birthday party from my honorary fairy godchildren. They gave me a little crown, and they gave me a little lunch. So, and then tonight, one of my daughters is going to take me out to dinner. Last night, my son and his girlfriend took me out to dinner. Tonight is my daughter and her husband taking me out to dinner. And then on Saturday, was it Saturday or was it? No, Sunday was my birthday. So yesterday, Allegra was here and my other daughter, Emmy, was here. And they each brought me a cake. So that was fun. And so I've been eating and visiting and everything this weekend. Even my birthday twin, who is my cousin, born when I was 16 years old. So you can do the math. If I'm 60 today, yesterday she was blank. You figure it out. I was bad. I made her like 2 years older because my math is so bad. So anyways, happy birthday to her. Oh my goodness, I am so tired. I need to take a nap before I go to dinner tonight with my daughter. But I wanted to say thank you and to let you know what I've been up to. So the thing that has been consuming me is my AI challenge. And today is the last day of March and I'm not done. So I might give myself one more week. So please, please do not judge me. And then it's April challenge. And I don't even know what I'm going to do with that. But I'm not going to make one that's so intricate like this one was. This one, it took a lot out of me, people. It took a lot out of me. But I love it. I love it. I love it. Anyways, okay, guys, thank you so much for joining me for Yarn Talk Monday. And thank you all for the birthday wishes. And I will see you this week. I need to put out a tutorial of some kind. What do you want to see? Let me know in the comments below. Bye, y'all.